Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled you're here with me today. Let's dive into our word of the day, agenda. It's a B2 level noun, and it means a list of things to discuss or do. You've probably come across the word agenda in meetings or planning sessions. It's a super practical word that helps keep things organized and ensures everyone stays on track. For example, you might hear someone say, "Let's review today's agenda before we start," or "What's next on the agenda?" It's all about structure and planning. Some great synonyms for agenda are schedule, program, and plan. You might say, "I need to check my schedule to see if I'm free," or "Let's stick to the program to finish on time." These words can be used interchangeably in many contexts, though each has its subtle nuances. On the flip side, antonyms for agenda include words like chaos, disorganization, and confusion. Imagine someone saying, "Without an agenda, this meeting feels like chaos," or "The lack of a plan is leading to total disorganization." These examples highlight how not having an agenda can create the opposite effect, disorder. In daily life, you'll find agenda being used not just in formal settings like offices, but also in personal contexts. For instance, you might say, "This weekend, my agenda includes going to the gym, catching up on reading, and meeting friends." It's a handy word that works for everything from professional schedules to personal plans. Here are a few sentences to help you see agenda in action. Before the conference begins, let's finalize the agenda for each session. I always write my agenda the night before to stay productive. She asked me to send her a copy of the meeting agenda so she could prepare. That brings us to the end of today's episode. We've explored the definition of agenda, its synonyms like schedule, program, and plan, and its antonyms like chaos, disorganization, and confusion. We've also looked at how agenda is used in everyday conversations. I hope you found this helpful and that you'll start using agenda confidently in your daily life. Before we go, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and join our growing community of language lovers. I also want to challenge you to create your own sentence using agenda and share it with us in the comments. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.